It is time for a message from the future. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we are going to talk about another knockoff SNES Mini clone console. I would not say a one-on-one copy. This one, they are getting pretty unique nowadays. First I'm making this review of knockoff systems. I did a lot of SNES Mini clones with 8-bit games, 60-bit games, name it. Check out my channel reviews. I did a lot of reviews about them, and yeah, this one is pretty unique, and I'm going to tell you why. Because first of all, the design of the system is totally different. It's more like a combination of a NES and a SNES. Because the SNES doesn't look like this. Not at all. It's looks totally different. So, that is something I can really like about it. If they're bringing out their, yeah, let's say the personal little knockoff and custom systems. So that's really awesome. They rip off the Nintendo pictures, of course, with the hand, with a beautiful hand, holding the system. Alright. But this one comes with two wireless controllers. That is really unique. I've never seen a clone system with two wireless controllers. I never seen it. So that is really cool. I don't know what. Oh, it is the difference with the plug that comes with it, the power plug. But almost 20 euro. This is dirty cheap. If I look at the beginning when they start producing these clone systems, but this one is pretty damn cheap. But alright, wireless controllers, really awesome, and yeah, I really love to make a review about it. I'm going to make a review about this one. I'm going to try to buy one and get it in fast as possible. But this one this is very interesting. It comes with 500 games. There's one thing is for sure, it's 8-bit games again. It's at 8-bit vintage. Really, I don't know what's up with these 8-bit games, but they always choosing the 8-bit games. So I don't know what's wrong with. I love the 8-bit games, don't get me wrong, but all these freaking systems got 8-bit. It looks like a freaking SNES Super Nintendo Mini clone. Make 16-bit games, no 8-bit. So yeah, that's what we're going to get, and I'm very curious is the touch of the controllers, how are they responding. It's 2.4 gigahertz controllers, so that's really awesome. I really love the design again. Let me know what you think of this. Let me know, would you consider buying something for your collection? And yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that little bell because you get updated you get a notification when I release a new video. And see you next time. Bye bye.